Have you guys now when somebody says, "Okay, get that damn camera out of my face," what do you guys do?
Back up.
Back up.
But you don't stop filming.
You drop it down. You drop it down
But
like this.
you keep it filming.
No, no.
See that? That's wrong. See, I told you they do that.
No. We
But you
forget to
gotta
hit
know.
the off button. That's all.
But don't you? Okay, but
It's an
if you came out of
afterthought.
your home, and I was right there, and I said, "Hey, what are you doing, man? What's going on?" How would you feel? Really, how would you
Dude,
feel?
if you were right there, I'd
And-
run. I would run so fast.
But wouldn't that make you upset though? Would that
you
make
were out there
if
doing
I was
that
just
to me,
out there
I
every
would
time,
run.
every time you came somewhere, you saw me, and I'm just out there.
Look at you.
Would you get? But seriously, would you get upset?
Yes,
I
of course.
think
Of course.
it would be annoying if the questions weren't being asked in the proper format.
Okay, you guys can ask me questions.
All right. Well,
Anything? You got 5 questions before I get in my car.
Thank
do you
you
think
for
about,
moving at a slow pace for us.
I like
Shia
it.
LaBeouf. He just got a DUI.
You know what? That was kind of crazy because I don't drink. I've never had a drink in my life, so I don't
never had a
understand.
drink in your life?
Never had a drink. I don't understand the big need to drink and party.
Exactly.
But he's a young cat, though, man. Maybe if I was that age.
What do you think about everybody getting on Madonna and A-Rod?
Oh, you can't get on Madonna, man.
Just
She's
leave
a
them alone,
legend.
right?
Leave her alone. And
Yellow.
Yellow light. And Alex Rodriguez, I love Alex Rodriguez. So I have nothing bad to say about him. I'm sad that he's getting a divorce because nobody likes that. He has a couple of kids involved, so nobody really likes that. So
Exactly.
I love A-Rod.
You looking to get engaged anytime soon here?
You know what? She has been, we spend like 95.9% of the time together.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden she just like, women are slick. See what they do, they start putting stuff in little drawers. So when I went in my closet to look for my things, I found 2 drawers with like bikini stuff and I'm like,
You know, when
okay.
the one drawer becomes 4 drawers.
There you
I'm
go,
moving
see
in.
there? And next you know, little shoes are left over there. I'm
Exactly.
across right here. Next you know, shoes are over there, then little clothes are hanging up.
And
so
there goes half your closet. when
there
she
goes
does
my
move
closet,
in.
man. But she's a beautiful woman, as you can see.
Very
And,
Do you
gorgeous.
find
Very
any
beautiful.
issues at your house?
Sin City 2 and 3, right?
hopefully. I mean, they
Fighter.
haven't. And Street Fighter coming out next year. I was in Thailand for 3 months filming, and that was great.
How was Kung Fu Panda working with
Oh, man.
Angelina Jolie?
You know what? I never saw her, but the movie turned out great, and we got really nice bonuses. That's what I like, the nice bonuses.
Thank you very
You
much.
guys are great.
Paparazzi.
I'm not gonna do that to you guys until you start making me mad. All right, I've been really nice. I spent 15 minutes with you
Hey,
guys.
thanks a lot,
Let
man.
everybody know I'm cool, okay? All right, man. You guys
Take
be good.
care. Michael, take care.
All right,
Thank
don't
you.
hop in nobody's fences.
No, we won't do that.
Okay.
Especially yours.
Not worth all that, all right?
Take care.